that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, destined by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold.
As you can see from this map, Freeport Grand Bahama is off the coast of the United States, in particular off the coast of Florida. Welcome to Freeport, Bahamas, on Grand Bahama Island. Alright, today we are in Freeport Grand Bahama Island off the Carnival Pride, one of our last stops. It's a short day, we're only here till 1 o'clock, but we're going to give you a tour of what's outside of the cruise ship terminal, all the straw markets and the shopping. There's a couple bars, restaurants, so stay tuned, we're going to give you a complete tour.
Make sure you like and subscribe and click the notification bell.
And do not miss any of these videos we're going to be doing in the Bahamas. Some great ports. Welcome to the straw market in Grand Bahama. Let's check it out. Also, if you're cruising into Grand Bahama Freeport, make sure you get off the boat, and even if you just sit outside and have a cocktail or order some food and do some shopping, the Bahamian people are so nice and they count on our tourist dollars. And look at this, this guy carves all of this. Such a talent.
You like that turtle?
Your past, no one be to change. Oh no, no, so rise, for tomorrow we will survive. Through the storm, don't you know that we will survive? We don't answer to no more.
Cool store. Any kind of hat you could want is at the port of Grand Bahama. Alright, also we've been to Grand Bahama 8 to 10 times probably. There is a lot of things to do here. We're going to show you some other things to do that we've done here in the past that's going to give you some great ideas. We'll start with number one. In my opinion, when people ask me the best beach that we've ever been to, we've been to probably 100 beaches.
Yeah.
There's only one that tops the list, and it's called Gold Rock Beach. And you can get there by cab. A lot of the tours take you there. We probably would have they have a kayak tour there as well, that you get to go through the mangroves and you get to stay there at Gold Rock Beach. But let me tell you, it's the most beautiful beach I have ever been to. They filmed part of the Pirates of the Caribbean there. Yeah. The beach, how do you describe the beach?
Well, I will tell you how beautiful it is. When we were here with our teenage kids, there's nothing there. There isn't even a chair to sit in. It's just untouched beach, and our kids didn't want to leave. That's how beautiful it was. It's really amazing to sit out there. It's just beautiful.
And one thing you have to do, we would have been there this time, but you have to hit the tide right. Only go there if you're going to be there at low tide. High tide, it looks like any other beach. But when it's low tide, you're in maybe a foot to 2 feet of water and you see the ripples. You're going to see that. I have some video of it. I'm going to be showing across the screen and some photos. So,
and the other thing too is it's not crowded. If you come here on a cruise, you're not here very long. And it takes a little over an hour to get out there, so a lot of people won't go. So you could literally be the only person on that entire beach, which makes it even nicer to be out there. But well worth the trip.
#1 activity, in my opinion, in Grand Bahama. Do not miss Gold Rock Beach. Also, Gold Rock Beach is part of Lakaya National Park. If you go directly across the street from the beach, you will find Ben's Caves. There's all kinds of caves you can go down and explore. Do not miss that. You're already there. Fresh drink and a coconut. Not much fresher than that. Here at Max's.
And while there is plenty to shop here at the port, if you really want a little bit more shopping, a little bit more stores to choose from, you can hop in a cab and go out to Port Lakaya Straw Market. There's some restaurants there, a couple of bars, a little bit more high-end shops. So if you're looking for jewelry and things like that, you'll be able to find that there.
And actually, if you go there directly across the street, there's a path. It's a hidden path that will take you right out to the beach. You can ask anybody where that path is, and it's a small beach, but if you're looking to do a beach, you know, you can add that into the market stop as well. All right, right down here in the end is a really good place for like seafood stuff, conch fritters, that kind of thing. But you can see they got ice cream here. We went to the Krusty Krab for these conch fritters, and they look amazing. And check out this pina colada that came from Maxie's. It's unbelievable. No, round number 2. My wife is going to try these conch fritters. We've had these here before in Grand Bahama, and they are fabulous. Fresh conch, you know it's coming right out of this water. How is it?
So good.
So good. All right, we're gonna chow down. Grab a cab, take a tour of the island. There's one lady that we've used. Her name is Queenie. I'm assuming she's still doing tours. I'm gonna find out when I'm here today. But again, there's many different cab drivers. They're all willing to give you a tour of the island. Great wood carving place if you're into that thing for souvenirs.
Wow! Because I can't see what I'm saying. I can't see.
Take them this way. That camera's over there.
Oh. Is it recording?
Did you hit the red button?
Oh. He didn't run the way I wanted him to. He's jumping all over the place.
All right, one of the other favorite things that we've done here many times is we did the beach for a day. We used to go to a place, it's called Lighthouse Point. It was like $20 or $25 when we first came here. Now, the way I understand it, Royal Caribbean bought that entire part of the island, but they still have the beach day. It's a little more expensive. It's $89, but let me tell you, when we were there, it is a beautiful beach. They have pools, whirlpools.
Yeah, you get use of the entire facility for the day. So their beach towels, their chairs, their pools, their hot tubs, their restrooms, their restaurants. So it's still a nice day if you want to hang out just at the beach for the day while you're here.
Yeah, and look it up. Besides Lighthouse Point, I'm sure there's many others. I think we did Sheraton here. Was that here or Nassau?
I can't remember.
But there's a couple that do it, so make sure you know, just Google it.
Yeah, if you just Google day pass at the hotels in Freeport, you'll get your options.
But it is, you know, again, there is so much more outside this port. Make sure you're checking everything at the port. There's shops everywhere. We didn't even hit half of them yet. And never, 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 never pay full price. Great shop right here in Grand Bahama. Right off the dock. If you like shopping, try this place out.